here we go. I'm going to show you how this works. All right, uppercase and lowercase. So uppercase, we're going to start with the letter A. Okay, pretty easy. We're just going to go, there you go. B. Okay, and then you come back. C. Okay, we're going to go D. E. E. F. Get a little hat. Like this and stick. And then we're going to go F. G. G is going to be a little different. We're going to go start down here. We're going to go G. H. Start up here. So we're going to go one more time. We're going to go down, back up. H. I. Okay, you're going to start here. We're going to go back. I. J. Make a big loop. J. Okay. Just like when we did the other. This time we're going to go. Okay. All right. Letter L. This I think is my favorite. I'm going to go L. M. Okay. N. Same thing, just smaller. Go N. Okay. O. Start here. Make just like a regular O. Then we have a little tail or hat. Letter P. Okay, P. Just gonna do the same thing. P. Okay. Now Q is where we start to get a little different. Q. It's almost gonna look like the number 2. Q. Okay. R. Okay, I'm going to start here. Down. Back up. Also loop. R. S. We're going to start down at the very bottom for an S. Go up, loop, back down, back up here, and then back forward. T. Make a little hat. And come down like so. Okay. U. Come back down. U. V. V is going to be a little bit more like so. It's going to be more circled. It's not going to have the points. W. And it's more circled. W. X. X. Y. This is going to go down. And Z. Okay, we're going to go back almost to the 2. Little bit different on this one though. Going to go down like so. And then we're going to go under Z. Okay. Now, with the lowercase, okay, now it's going to be like so. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and then Z is going to be the same way that we did our other one. Z. Okay. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, you might wonder, okay, why do we have these leading things? With cursive, we try to connect everything. Okay? We try to connect everything. Like, I'll show you what my name is Steven, right? So here's what my name looks like. Okay, Steven. S-T-E-V-E-N. Okay, my last name is going to be Carter. C-A-R-T-E-R. So, Stephen Carter. You can see when I'm writing, pencil stays on the paper as much as possible. Only time it comes up is new word, or we cross or dot an I or J. Okay. All right. And I'm going to write one more thing. I'm going to say okay. Thank you for watching. Oh, forgot a circle. So T-H-A-N-K. Thank you. Y-O-U. 4, F-O-R. Watching, W-A-T-C-H-I-N-G. Exclamation point. Thank you for watching.